How to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA5009D. To fix Microsoft Teams error CAA5009D, try 1. Check Microsoft Teams service status. 2. Clear Teams app cache and credentials in the following folders: % of data, %Microsoft /Teams /application cache /cache % of data, %Microsoft /Teams /blob _ storage % of data, %Microsoft /Teams /cache of data, %Microsoft /Teams /databases of data, %Microsoft /Teams /GPU cake of data, %Microsoft /Teams /index DB of data, %Microsoft /Teams local storage of data, %Microsoft /Teams /TMP3. Close some unwanted. Background app. Example: Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp. 4. Try accessing your Teams account on a web client. 5. Make sure the firewall is not blocking access.